What do children do in the Stone Age?
We can't answer that with certainty, but we think the children played games just like today, where they imitated something the adults do, and they may also have played tag, hide and seek, etc. But they probably helped out wherever they could. They also went to a kind of school where they had to learn all the things they would need as adults, such as chopping flint, gathering roots, berries, and making a piece of string. They will often need a piece of string to tie something together, or to make a bowstring. Maybe you'd like to try how to make a piece of string into a bracelet? You can make string out of many different things. For example, when you use bark, you peel off the bark and soak it in water so that it starts to rot, then the bast layer that you can use for string comes off. How long you leave it in the water depends on the thickness of the bark, the oxygen content of the water and the water temperature. When the bast layer comes off in strips, you peel it off. It can smell really bad, but once you've rinsed it and hung it to dry, it doesn't smell anymore. It smells like a mixture of hay and soap. You don't have to make the bast. We bought some palm bast. It's cheap, so you can get started quickly. There are many ways to make the string. I've chosen the easiest one, where you have to work together to make a bracelet one. Pair up in pairs too. Each take a piece of bast. If it's very thin, you can put two pieces together to make them thicker. The length must be at least 80 centimeters. One of you just needs to hold on to one end of the bast. The other person grabs the top of the partner's hands and turns the ball to the right until it is firm. Then move the grip a little and continue twisting until the string is completely tight, etc. When you have twisted the string a bit, for example 10 to 15 centimeters, you can check if you have done it right, then the string will knot itself. Now just twist the string all the way to the end, don't let go of the string. Now you have to double the string, you still can't let go. When it's doubled, whoever was holding it will let go, the string will twist by itself. At one end there will now be a loop. The holder puts an index finger through the loop and now you have to twist the string left to make the twist tighter. When the twist is nice and even, stop. Then pull on the string, otherwise the twist will unravel by itself. Tie a knot at the loose ends. Now you have a piece of string. If you want to wear a bead, you can make a bead out of a cherry stone or shell. For example, you need water, cherry stone and a rough big stone or cheetah bit, and use a tile. When you have eaten cherries, save the stones. When you have enough, put them in water for 24 hours and then dry them in the sun to make them bright. Grind the cherry stone on both sides until a circle appears. Pick out the core with a stick or flint drill. Pull your beads on the string either by putting the eye through or you have to untie your knot again.